The world is changing. Factories hum with tireless robotic arms, cars drive themselves. Surgeries are performed with incredible precision, guided by robotic hands. This is not science fiction, this is the dawn of a new age of automation, powered by robotics. For centuries, humans have dreamed of machines that could lighten our load, perform dangerous tasks, and increase our efficiency. Today, that dream is becoming a reality. Robots are no longer confined to the pages of novels or the screens of our devices. They are entering our factories, hospitals, and homes, transforming the way we live and work. This revolution is driven by incredible advances in technology. Artificial intelligence is becoming more sophisticated, allowing robots to learn, adapt, and make decisions. Sensors are becoming more powerful and affordable, giving robots the ability to perceive their environment with increasing accuracy. These advancements, coupled with the decreasing cost of robotics, are making it possible to deploy robots in a wider range of industries and applications than ever before. One of the most significant impacts of robotics is being felt in the manufacturing sector. Assembly lines, once the domain of human workers, are now often populated by robots capable of performing repetitive tasks with speed and precision that humans simply cannot match. These robots can work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without breaks or complaints, boosting productivity and reducing costs for businesses. But manufacturing is just the tip of the iceberg. Robotics is also transforming healthcare, where robots are being used to assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with incredible accuracy, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. In logistics, robots are streamlining warehouse operations, from managing inventory to picking and packing orders, making the movement of goods faster and more efficient. Even industries like agriculture are being impacted by robotics. Autonomous tractors and drones are being used to plant, fertilize, and harvest crops with greater efficiency and less environmental impact. This automation of labor-intensive tasks is freeing up human workers for more specialized roles and helping to address labor shortages in many industries. The benefits of robotics in industry are numerous and far-reaching. Perhaps the most significant advantage is increased efficiency. Robots can work faster, longer, and with greater precision than humans, boosting productivity and reducing production time. This increased efficiency can translate into lower costs for businesses, allowing them to produce goods and services more affordably and remain competitive in a global market. Another key benefit is improved safety. Robots can be deployed in hazardous environments such as mines or nuclear power plants, where it is too dangerous for humans to work. They can also perform repetitive or physically demanding tasks that can lead to injuries for human workers, reducing the risk of workplace accidents and injuries. Moreover, robots can help to improve the quality of products and services. Their precision and consistency can reduce errors and defects in manufacturing, leading to higher quality goods. In healthcare, robots can assist surgeons in performing delicate procedures with greater accuracy, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. The rise of robotics is not without its challenges. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated and capable, they are automating tasks that were once performed by human workers, raising concerns about the future of employment in an increasingly automated world. Another challenge is the ethical implications of robotics. As robots become more intelligent and autonomous, questions arise about their decision-making abilities and the potential consequences of their actions. Who is responsible if a robot makes a mistake or causes harm? How do we ensure that robots are used ethically and responsibly? These are complex questions that require careful consideration as we navigate the future of robotics. Section 5. Navigating the future, collaboration and upskilling. The future of work in the age of robotics is not about robots replacing humans, but about humans and robots working together. The key lies in embracing collaboration and focusing on upskilling the workforce. By focusing on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, humans can leverage their unique strengths, while robots handle repetitive or physically demanding tasks. This shift will require a concerted effort to provide workers with the education and training they need to thrive in an evolving job market. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in preparing the workforce for the jobs of the future. The future of work in the age of robotics is not about robots replacing humans, but about humans and robots working together. This collaboration will require a shift in our thinking, a focus on upskilling the workforce, and a commitment to addressing the ethical considerations that arise with the increasing use of robotics. Section 6, Robotics in Healthcare. A new era of precision and care. The healthcare industry stands on the cusp of a revolution, poised to be transformed by the precision and potential of robotics. From assisting in complex surgeries to providing rehabilitation therapy, robots are enhancing the capabilities of medical professionals and improving patient care in remarkable ways. Surgical robots, for example, provide surgeons with enhanced dexterity and precision, enabling them to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater accuracy. This translates into less pain, faster recovery times, and reduced risk of complications for patients. In rehabilitation, robots are helping patients regain mobility and function after strokes or injuries, providing repetitive exercises and personalized therapy tailored to their specific needs. Beyond surgery and rehabilitation, robots are also playing a growing role in patient care. Telepresence robots allow doctors to remotely monitor patients, providing consultations and checking on their well-being without requiring them to be physically present. This is particularly valuable for patients in remote areas or those with limited mobility, improving access to quality healthcare. Section 7, the rise of the cobots, humans and robots working side by side. The factory floor of the future is not a scene of robots toiling away in isolation, but a collaborative environment where humans and robots work side by side, each complementing the strengths of the other. This new breed of robots, known as collaborative robots or cobots, is designed to work safely and efficiently alongside human workers, enhancing their capabilities rather than replacing them. Cobots are typically smaller and more mobile than traditional industrial robots, and they are equipped with advanced sensors and safety features that allow them to operate safely in close proximity to humans. They can be easily programmed and reprogrammed to perform a variety of tasks, making them highly versatile and adaptable to changing production needs. In a manufacturing setting, cobots can handle repetitive or physically demanding tasks, such as lifting heavy objects or performing intricate assembly operations, freeing up human workers to focus on tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, or human interaction. This collaboration between humans and robots can lead to increased efficiency, improved quality, and a safer working environment. Section 8, addressing the challenges, ethical considerations, and job transition. As with any transformative technology, the rise of robotics brings with it a set of challenges that must be addressed thoughtfully and proactively. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential impact on employment. As robots become more sophisticated and capable, there is a valid concern that they may automate jobs currently performed by human workers. However, it is important to view this transition not as a simple case of robots taking jobs, but as a shift in the nature of work itself. While some jobs may be automated, new jobs will emerge in areas such as robot design, programming, maintenance, and oversight. The key to navigating this transition successfully lies in education and upskilling, equipping workers with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in an evolving job market. Beyond the economic considerations, there are also ethical implications to consider. As robots become more intelligent and autonomous, questions arise about their decision-making abilities and the potential consequences of their actions. Who is responsible if a robot makes a mistake or causes harm? How do we ensure that robots are used ethically and responsibly? These are complex questions that require ongoing dialogue and collaboration among policymakers, industry leaders and ethicists to develop guidelines and regulations that ensure the responsible development and deployment of robotics. Section 9, embracing the future robotics and the transformation of industries. The rise of robotics is ushering in an era of unprecedented technological advancement, transforming industries and reshaping the way we live and work. From manufacturing to healthcare, logistics to agriculture, Robots are automating tasks, increasing efficiency, and improving the quality of our lives. While challenges remain, such as addressing potential job displacement and ensuring the ethical use of robotics, the potential benefits are vast. By embracing collaboration, fostering innovation, and investing in education and workforce development, we can harness the power of robotics to create a future where humans and robots work together to build a more prosperous, equitable, and sustainable world. The future is not about robots replacing humans, but about humans and robots working together to achieve what was once considered impossible. The journey into the age of robotics will require careful navigation, thoughtful consideration of the ethical implications, and a commitment to ensuring that the benefits of this transformative technology are shared by all. By embracing the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, we can shape a future where robotics empowers us to reach new heights of human ingenuity and progress.